With the brand new Emblaser Pro, attaching the exhaust hose is a simple affair. Unlike previous models where it was attached to the back, the exhaust hose now attaches on the side. Let me show you how that works. And it's pretty simple. You just come up to the side and push it in. It'll move 360 degrees. Now with the exhaust hose attached, you have a choice of connecting it to either an extraction system or the F2000 fume extractor available from Darkly Labs. If you have a fume extractor, we're going to show you how to set it up with the Emblaser Pro in a future video. If you found this video really helpful, feel free to subscribe and keep your eyes open for more videos about the Emblaser Pro and Lightburn. Until I see you next time, go and make something amazing.